Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so pairing works smoothly. Turn on the Revoltt watch and charge it above 20%. Low battery can interrupt pairing. On your phone, install the Revoltt Companion app and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the phone can discover the watch. Once done, open the app and choose Pair New Device. Make sure the watch shows a pairing screen or Bluetooth icon. This is the cue to proceed to discovery on your phone. Now you discover and authenticate the watch. In the app, tap Scan or Add Device and wait for the Revoltt model to appear. This can take a few seconds. When you see a pairing code, compare it to the code shown on the watch and accept on both devices. This prevents incorrect connections. After pairing, grant required permissions, notifications, contacts, and health or sensor access. These permissions let the watch sync alerts and activity data. Without them, features will be limited. Finish by completing in-app setup options and initiating the first sync. This uploads watch data and confirms steady connection. Make sure time, language, and display settings match your phone. This avoids notification mismatches and calendar errors. If the watch doesn't sync, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth, then try pairing again. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the watch's Bluetooth from its settings only if repeated attempts fail, because resetting clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.